we wanted to see our old home, and this was it. And can't tell you how great it was to come here in 1961. Came right out of the Aircraft Maintenance Officer School. I never been prouder of an outfit that I was than this one right here, because we won the Willie Tell in '63. I'd say the most positive thing was the Cuban crisis, although it was a hell of a crisis, and we stood alert for about 2 weeks in that alert barn down at the hangar there. But the feeling was we were ready to go. We were all saddled up with Air 2A atomic nuke weapons and sit in cockpit. 5-minute alert on most of us, and it was really for the real deal. So there was a lot of pride factor in that, because those big Russian bears, were pretty threatening, and we knew we could whip them.